Hello everyone, and you are so much welcome to today's tutorial. I still remain your most wealthy shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. Today I am going to be showing you how to create these wavy slippers. Now I need you to know that it's not a crime if you can't monetize your knowledge, which means it's not a crime if you can't sell what you know. But it's a crime if you go broke not asking people how they actually sell their knowledge, which is part of what I am actually going to be showing you this year. So if you'd like to know more, it doesn't matter whether you're a business owner, whether you're a salary earner, what you do in your place of work, you can document and teach other people and make money from it. So today we are going to majorly be looking at how to create the pattern for this particular slide. Are you watching me for the first time? Please ensure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. What I do is make shoemaking simple and also encourage you to sell your knowledge in one way or the other. If you would like to know more about selling your knowledge, just ask in the comment section, how do I do that? It doesn't matter the kind of knowledge you have. I will have a chat with you and we will come up with what you can actually sell. So what do you do for me now? Sit back and I'll be right back. So the first thing you need to do is to first of all create a trapezium. We are going to be creating a trapezium. So how do I create a trapezium? I'm going to be starting with a base of 7 centimeter. My base is going to be 7 centimeter. My height is going to be 7.5 centimeter, and the side is going to be about 3.8 centimeter. Those are the major things that we need. So how do we begin that? So I'm going to be using this side as my base. So my base is going to be 7. I'm starting from the edge. From here to here is 7 centimeter. So this is 7. From this side to this edge is 7. I moved it up again and still measure another 7 from here to here is still 7. I need you to note that it's still 7. So from what I have here, I'm just going to draw a line. Now I want to come and check. I need a height of 7.5 right here. So I'm going to place this right here. I don't know if you can see, this is where my 7 is. I'm going to place this right here, right on top of that same dot, just for me to be sure I am still on the width of 7. So I'm going to pick it up on that side. You can see this is 7.5. From here to here is 7.5. So I'm going to mark this. This is my 7.5 height. That's my 7.5 height. I'm going to come to this other edge and I'm going to measure 7.5 as well. This is 7.5. You can see this is 7.5. So I'm going to mark it right here and then join it with this. So that is that. Now, knowing fully well that this particular one, this side and this side, of course the base and this side will have 7 as their width. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be checking the midpoint. The middle is 3.5. I'm going to come down right here. It's also 3.5. So join it together. I'm just trying to locate the midpoint for the trapezium. So after that, you can see what I have. I told us the side, don't forget a trapezium looks this way, like this, then like this, like this, like this, and like this. So this base is what we have 7 centimeter. This height from here to here is what we have 7.5 centimeter. And this side is what we have as 3.8 centimeter. So your 3.8, let me quickly show you here. Now, from this side to this side is 3. The next one is 3.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. This is 3.5, this long one. Then 3.6, 0.7, and 0.8. So my 0.8 is this particular line. That is where 3.8 is. So from here to this particular point right here. So that's what I'm going to be picking up on this side. So just go ahead and align it. This is where I have my, this is 3.8. Make sure it aligns with this edge. And then I mark right here. I'll do the same thing on this side as well. Don't forget we are measuring 3.8. If you want to clear your own and make it 4 centimeter, you can decide to make it 4 centimeter. It will just be a bit bigger than what we're going to be having here. So it's not compulsory. It's not a one-way thing. So from what I have here, I'm going to be creating like a trapezium. I'm going to start from here. I'm sure you know why we have a double line here. I had to draw this line in the first instance because I measured my 7.5. I measured my 7 here and 7 on this side. So I wanted to maintain this particular, space here. So please, this is not what we are using at all. It's just for accuracy. That's why I followed the process I followed. So I'm going to be having, from the center here, I'm going to be joining this. So this is what I have. And with this, don't forget, make sure it's from this point. So this is joining this. You can, so from this I have a house. You see a trapezium look more like a house. Come on, this side, and this side. That's our trapezium. So from this, that is when we're going to get the pattern, the design we are going to be using basically for our wave design. So just come to this side. Don't forget, we told us that this place is 3.8. Your own might be 4. If you are not sure you can accurately measure 3.8, just go ahead and use 4. So from here, I have my 4. This is the midpoint of this same 3.5, of this 7. The width, the base is 7. Don't forget, our base here is 7. So it's still the midpoint I'm picking up right here. And I'm going to be bringing it to the edge here. So you can see that. Bring this to also to the edge. Now, this may not make a lot of sense for now, but I'm sure it will show. Please make sure you align the diagonal. Let it be diagonal, perfectly made. You can see what I have right here. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Cut this off. Trim this as well. Trim this as well. Then I'm going to come to this side and trim this as well. Yes, you can see what I have. So majorly, this is going to be our template for creating the wave design. I'm sure you want to see I'm going to use this to create the design. Sit back and I'm gonna be right